Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this holiday glitter smoky eye look. You guys can wear this for like New Year's Eve or like Christmas or something. I don't know, something festive because it has glitter. Yeah, honestly I feel like this look will be perfect for New Year's Eve though, because the glitter is like so popping and so bomb. But yeah, if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 11K, which is crazy because I hit 10K last month. So yeah, without more talking, let's just get right into the video. Guys, so the sun literally sets in 45 minutes, so I really gotta hurry up and do this. Yay. So anyways, you guys, we're doing a gold makeup look. I really don't like using gold on my eyes, but I'm gonna do it anyways because why not? You know what I'm saying? Why not? I'm gonna take the Jackie Aina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, so beautiful, and I'm gonna take the shade Edges and a little bit of ginger. I'm gonna put that in my crease, and I'm also gonna be filming a TikTok while also filming YouTube videos, so let's see how that goes. TikTok girlies be getting the numbers, babes, so that's what I'm trying to do. You feel me? Like, I'm trying to build my shit up. I'm gonna go in with Credit, which is like literally my favorite brown in the whole world. And I'm using this Morphe M441 brush. Go ahead and define my crease. Well, okay, that actually looks really cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the Soft Glam palette, and my palette is so busted and dusty, but I'm gonna take the black eyeshadow, and okay, I'm just gonna use the same brush because why not? I'm gonna take a little bit of this, and I'm gonna define my crease and outer corner a bit because I want to deepen it up. You know what I'm saying? I want to deepen it up a little bit. Take a little bit. You don't want to go in with too much at once because, babes, you're gonna look cray cray. Okay. Do people say cray cray anymore? Probably not. I'm just like winging out my eyeshadow because it just is a really good shape for me in my eyes, so that's why I always wing out my shadow. I'm gonna take a clean fluffy brush and I'm gonna go in with Ginger and Edges again, and I'm just gonna blend the outer edges here because I always have really like trouble making it look blended here in the inner corner because like that's just the shape of my eye, so it always just looks really unblended, but it's not. That's just like the way my eyes are set up, and it's so freaking annoying because it looks like I didn't blend my shit, but trust me, I blended it. Okay, I freaking blended it. I think I'm gonna go and use Zam because it's like really nice and like rose gold. So I'm gonna use this. And then what brush should I use? I'm gonna take this Carity E6 brush. I'm gonna pop Zam on the lid. It's like really pretty. The glitter that I'm going to use today is called Jolly. Wait, is this green? It's like reflective. Ooh, that's kind of cute. Like, what the fuck? Okay, I'm going to use this. Use this glitter called Jolly from Anastasia Beverly Hills. No, that's literally beautiful. Are you sick in the head, bitch? Like, that's literally stunning, love. That's literally gorgeous. Oh my god. No, that's literally stunning, bitch. Are you sick? Are you sick in the fucking head, man? Are you sick? Are you sick? Look how beautiful this is. Are you dumb? It's literally fucking gorgeous. Oh my god. Can you guys see? You really can't see the like levels to this shit though. Like you can't. Like it's fucking gorgeous. Let's put some lashes on. What lashes do I want to wear? Well, I'm gonna stack the Anastasia lashes and the styles So Hollywood and Dominia. I feel like these would look so good stacked. Okay guys, so I put my lashes on, but we're gonna have to move to where the good lighting is because the sun is going down, so now my natural lighting is shit. So I'm back and we're in different lighting. So anyways, now that the eyes are done, it's time to move on to the face. And I only put on one pair of lashes because both of them stacked up honestly just looked like too much. So yeah, I just have on one pair. I'm gonna use two different primers today. I'm gonna take the Ola Henriksen. Oh, my earring came out. Banana Bright primer. It's like a highlighting primer. So yeah, I'm only gonna take a little bit of that because it's like highlighting. I'm also gonna take the Hydro Grip primer from Milk Makeup. And I'm gonna take some of that on my face. I'm gonna use a brush to blend it onto my skin, not my hands, because my hands have lotion on them and I don't want lotion on my face. So for foundation today, of course, I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation in the shade 500C. Concealer, I'm going to take my Maybelline Superstay Concealer in the shade Warm Olive, and I'm also going to take the Benefit Bowling Cakeless Concealer in the shade number 10. Okay, so to set that in place, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Deep. Take some black gel liner from Milk Makeup, and I'm gonna line my waterline with it because I want to smoke it up a little bit. Oh, that kind of hurt. I need blush. Oh my god, Tiffany forgot. Okay. So blush. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Blush Trio in Berry Adore. I'm gonna apply some blush straight on the cheeks here. Okay, and then I'm actually gonna take this Shayla times ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Slow Down. I've actually never used this color before, so let's see. Very bright. This is really pretty on its own. On camera, it looks a little bit crazy, honestly. Actually really pretty. but I'm gonna do gloss. That's my thing. I'm gonna take Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Diamond Milk. Cute. Okay guys, so that is it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love the way this came out. I feel like I've probably done a look like this before. It's very basic. It just has like really nice glitter. I love this freaking glitter. The camera may not be picking up how bomb this glitter is, but in person it's so bomb. Like this is such a perfect look for like New Year's Eve or like a Christmas party or something. Just really just show off that glitter, you know what I mean? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, all Makeup by Shania, but with 2 H's on TikTok because it won't let me change my name basically. So yeah, and I'll be leaving all the products that I use in this video in the description box down below for you guys to check out. And yeah, that's it, you guys. Don't know what else to say. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.